This question comes from Tyler, who asks, what would happen if humans could walk 1 to 100 times faster than normal? So everyone can suddenly walk at any speed between normal and 100 times faster. Let's scale this up and see where it breaks. Normal walking speed is about 3 miles per hour, that's 1.3 meters per second, optimized by evolution to be energy efficient and safe. Now let's ruin it. 2x speed, you're walking at 6 miles per hour, basically jogging. Nothing breaks. You get places faster, arrive sweaty, and crosswalks need minor redesigns. Fine. 5x speed, now you're in 15 miles per hour, sprinting speed but sustained. Air resistance increases with the square of velocity, so you're experiencing 25 times more wind resistance. Your face is being blasted constantly. Hats are impossible, and human reaction time is 0.25 seconds. At 15 miles per hour, you travel 5.5 feet before you can react. Good luck dodging obstacles. 10x speed, you're walking at 30 miles per hour, highway speed, on foot. Your kinetic energy is now 100 times greater than normal. Running into a wall would generate roughly 2,000 pounds of impact force, enough to shatter bones and rupture organs. Every corner is a potential car crash. Also, your shoes disintegrate. Rubber friction at 30 miles per hour would wear through the soles in about 30 minutes. 25x speed, walking at 75 miles per hour. You're faster than city traffic. Impact forces per step are now 625 times normal, about 8,000 pounds hitting your knees and hips. A 2018 orthopedic study found that forces above 5,000 pounds cause microfractures. Your skeleton would crack after 10 minutes of walking. And bugs become projectiles. A bumblebee hitting your face at 75 miles per hour leaves a welt. A June bug could break your nose. 50x speed, you're at 150 miles per hour, small airplane speed. Air resistance is 2,500 times normal. You'd need to lean forward at 45 degrees just to push through the air. Breathing becomes nearly impossible. Wind forces air out faster than you can inhale. Raindrops hit hard enough to bruise. A light drizzle feels like being pelted with gravel. Your body can't cool itself. Sweat evaporates instantly before it can work. You'd overheat in minutes, even in winter. 100x speed, walking at 300 miles per hour. You've broken the sound barrier on foot. You're moving at 440 feet per second. The human eye can track about 60 feet per second. Everything is a meaningless blur. You have no idea what you're about to hit. Your sonic boom shatters windows. Every step creates a pressure wave that damages everything nearby. But here's the real killer, stopping. If you try to stop suddenly from 300 miles per hour, your organs keep moving forward while your skeleton stops. This is deceleration trauma, how people die in car crashes. Your brain slams into your skull, your heart tears loose, your liver ruptures. A biomechanics expert calculated you'd need 800 feet, 3 football fields to safely decelerate. You'd have to plan stops like a freight train. So what happens if humans could walk 100 times faster? At 2x, we'd redesign cities. At 10x, every wall becomes lethal. At 50x, your skeleton can't handle it. At 100x, you're a barely controlled biological missile that destroys everything nearby and kills yourself if you stop wrong. Evolution gave us 3 miles per hour for a reason. Turns out slow and steady was the right call.